they snitching him out. Oh, there he is. That's a nice Beamer too. Oh man. Oh. What is good, YouTube? We back with another banger reaction videos. I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in to another video. Let's get straight into it. BMW M3 can't shake the Georgia State Patrol. Y'all young boys know GSP ain't nothing to play with, bro. They catch you no matter what. They will beat on that bumper to the day you know, go away. But GSP does not play around at all. Damn, they're going like 200. They got some doo-doo on their windshield. It's not letting me see right there. You guys see that? It's like right over there. Oh, right over here. They got some dookie on their windshield. Right there. I got some. Damn, where's that? Right there. I see that. Shaking my head. Now I don't know if the M3s are the boosted ones. I'm pretty sure they're all they're all pretty much boosted. But they're fast. I mean fast. Now I don't know exactly what the difference is, the M3, the regular M3 or the M3 comp. I really don't know what the difference is. But I guess one's faster than the other and one's, you know. I'll put the information up on the screen because I really have no idea. But that Beamer out though. That Beamer's for sure like on his thing. He hitting that little shoulder. See, at least in this chase, the Beamer is like the car that fleeing from the cops. He's actually cutting up in traffic. He knows what he's doing pretty much, or at least he's making it look like he knows what he's doing. You guys know in the previous video, in that Camaro, that guy just looked shaky all around. I'll put that video tab up here so you guys can watch that old video. That Camaro just looked super shaky, super noob at it. He was super nervous. This guy, at least he's got a really good gap on the cops, and if he knew where he was going or he knows what he's doing, he could for sure get away. For sure. Super fast. He's got a lot of power under that Beamer. Super light too. Oh, tire screeching, car getting sideways.
Clear left, clear right. Staying on north side.
You know that hurt his heart hitting that curb like that, boy.
Alright, passing Belmead and Antony Street. Passing Green Street.
Nah, that Beamer really's got a really decent head start. Not even a head start, he just has a really good gap on the cop. Oh, never mind, he's right there. Oh, they almost wrecked.
Alright, I think we're southbound on the north side, coming up to 14.
That Beamer really has a lot of power. It's got a lot of get up and go. It really does.
Stay straight, passing 14th.
Now, y'all know, I don't know if y'all tune in, but SRT Len, he has the Purple Torch, which is a Hellcat Charger, but he's got a D170 motor in there, and he's got like a lot of things done to it. Now he's got the Walkie Rocket, you know. It's I think it's an M4 M3 comp, boosted, big turbo, and that BMW is way faster than his Hellcat. I mean, both cars have a lot of money in them, and BMW's power is just different. It really is, especially with boost, with turbos. Better said. My bad. Oh, he outsmarted the cop. Well, he tried to outsmart the cop. Oh, they snitching him out. Oh, there he is. That's a nice Beamer too. Oh man. Oh man, reckless. Oh man, he's all over the place. What do you have in your car, bud, that you just need to get away from cops this bad? Unless it's a striker, you know. Good call out.
Good call.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, for a good call out though. You guys know these chargers are easy to go in lip mode. Oh man.
You're right. You've been at Barcelona on Main Street.
I wonder if they got a cop.
Hands up!
That's it.
Hands up! Put your hands up! Get your ass out the car!
Editor, blur that,
Car!
please. Oh, jeez, I missed that.
Hell's wrong with you, man?
Man.
Hell's wrong with you, man? Give me your hand. I got your other hand. You could have killed somebody driving like that. What the hell's wrong with you, man? Roll over. Come on.
I was saying, I wonder if they got eyes in the sky, like they got a helicopter, because they just knew where he was going, unless they were really like on him, which they were pretty close to him. I mean,
You're right. You've been at Barcelona on Main Street.
yeah, I guess, you know. I guess they just could have seen it. It could just be a coincidence too, though. Yeah.
Somebody driving like that. What the hell's wrong with you, man? Roll over. Come on. Come on. Come on. Lean up. You got him? Yeah. I'm gonna help him. Atlanta with 295, one male. 295, one male.
Wow. That's a wrap. Oh, I thought that was a GUN.
Lean up.
I guess it was just his phone case. Wow. There's no way they don't have a.
It's hard to outrun that, big dog.
So yeah, they did have eyes in the sky. No wonder they were just turning around, knowing where the guy was every time. Wow.
Look up there. It's hard to outrun that, big dog. Walk back here.
The helicopter came and clutched and saved the day. W. That's hilarious. Man, I was like, no wonder, like, bro, they had to have different eyes, like eyes up sky, because there's no way eyes in the sky, because there's no way they just knew where he was in the parking lot. They knew he was at that parking lot. They knew when he turned off in that other second parking lot. Like, where is it at? Let me pull it up real quick. Like, all of a sudden, they told him right around here. He was like, "Oh, he's to the parking lot to your left." See? Yeah. So that's crazy. Man, you can outrun the cars. You can't outrun the radios or the heli. Alright, you just can't outrun him. There's no way around it. There's really not. That's insane though.
Okay, you're in that parking lot. If you hang a right there, you back.
Yeah, see?
You'll be facing you.
Man. I mean, that Beamer has some aggressive turning. Because he almost hits this car right here. He almost hits the car as soon as he gets on the freeway. Or not on the freeway, but on the other road. Not right here. Right around here, he almost hits that car. But Beamers, you could corner in a Beamer so much better than you can in a Charger. Like, even a Chadley, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure you, like, the way they made those cars, they're just made for handling. They really are. They're really fast too, really good handling. I mean, all around, amazing cars. Yeah, man. That's crazy.
Lean up off the car.
They got the wooden sticks, so you know what I'm saying?
They just have a spare tire in the back with the guy? Like, what? That's funny, bro.
They got the wooden sticks, so you know what I'm saying?
They're in the front seat.
Number 3. Did my girlfriend call code for this car, or?
Yes, he's on so. He's on the other side.
Okay. And then,
No, it's got me wondering.
can she take my belongings in the car?
That's going to be a hidden call. That's not the call.
Okay.
Boxes really close to there.
Okay.
8/20/22 at for the BMW access posted 55 speed limit. So the only reason he was getting pulled over was because of speed limit too. He was speeding. Oh, down here they corrected it. It's not an M3. They say I observed a green BMW M4 traveling in excess of the posted 55 mile an hour speed limit. Traveling 99. That's damn near double the speed limit. Wow. Lane stop as a shoulder distance. Pursue. He was exceeding excess. Wow, of 120 miles an hour. So he's for sure gonna get hit with the book right there. He really is. There's really no way around it. Yeah, man. Don't be this dummy. Pull over. Even if you got a fast car, man, just pull over. Avoid risking your life. Regular people's, like, people that are driving on the highways' life. Like in my previous video with that Camaro, when he ran into the other cars. Just don't do it, please. It's not worth it at the end of the day. It's really not worth it. You know what I mean? Just pull over. Like, yes, sir, I'm sorry, sir. Take the ticket. Go home. Be safe. You know what I mean? It's really not all that hard. But with that being said, I appreciate y'all boys for tuning into another video. I appreciate the love I've been getting here lately. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe, man. We out.